Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So, today is a moving day for my eldest daughter to go to college. So, we'll be taking her to San Angelo in Texas. The name of the university is Angelo State University. So, see you later. Hello, we're back. Nasa San Angelo tayo ngayon. Angelo State University. So, we're here for the moving in of my daughter to her new dormitory. So, bagong chapter ito sa buhay namin. Yung panganay ko ay titira na sa kanyang dormitory dito sa Angelo State University. So, exciting para sa bata. Pero syempre mamimiss namin yung anak namin. So, hanapin namin yung kwarto niya. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung saan yung kwarto niya. Pero definitely dito siya sa building na to. Okay. Mamaya ulit.
Tanungin natin. Pero ayoko na. Kasi ako magtatanong. Hindi naman yung parang tao kasi.
O sige, babantayan ko na lang yung gamit rito. Alright, nandito na ang aking anak at asawa. So okay na ba? Ready na?
It's on the third floor.
Third floor? Okay.
It's on the other side.
So, but we can pass through this, this way.
Yes.
Sino tayo rito? Ito yung mga bit-biti na aking iha. Aking panganay.
Ma, nasa iyo ba yung phone ko? Oo. Here, ma. Turun mo kayo.
Ayan, kukuha na kami ng picture ni Mrs. Oh, come on. Let's go. Sa third floor ang pupuntahan namin. So, mukhang okay naman yung kanyang dormitory.
Minsan lang ito, hindi ito parating. Let's go.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Madison, your roommate's here.
Hello. Thank you. Hello. Okay. So this is my daughter's room and roommate. Hello. Table, the bed. All right, you got a good view here.
Madison. Hi. Wait, who's Madison? Hi.
Hello. At nakapag-settle na rito ang aking anak. Na-fix niya ang kanyang bed.
Tsaka nalagay mo ito dito sa
Yung kanyang aparador. Table. Yung kanyang study table doon sa kabila. So, they have one comfort room here that they share. with the roommate.
Ating daso.
Okay.
Yung dasok. Ay, dasok. Sabon.
So, okay naman. Magandang, maganda dito sa dormitory nila. Maayos, malinis.
Of course.
Sige, mamaya ulit. Okay, so, tingnan natin ngayon ng Ayan. Tingnan natin ngayon ang kanilang, ito. Dito nga pala, nagpapamember maraming mga organizations dito na ihikayatin yung mga anak ninyo, mga estudyante na maging member ng kanilang organization. So, marami silang mga booths dito. Alright. So, lumabas namin sa room ng anak ko. May nakalimutan pa, pipicturean pa. So, this is how we document, bale, itong ginagawa namin is to as a memorial para dun sa kanyang first time to live on her own.
Oh my God.
Joanna, are you excited?
Yes, Dad. Can you stop?
Hindi excited. Wala na akong
I know. I'm excited. Let's go.
So, at least excited na rin sila. Good morning. Naglalakad kami rito instead of using the elevator. So, exercise.
exercise. I had too much exercise last night, so I have no energy. Thank you.
Alright, nandito tayo ngayon.
Nalala ko because si Daddy pa ulit. I know.
So, binibisita namin ngayon iba't ibang building dito sa Angelo State. So, malawak rin siya. At least, siguro mamimiss din kami ng anak ko. Pero definitely mamimiss namin siya. Pero bagong chapter ito ng buhay niya. Alright. So dito sa Texas, talagang maski na very hot, dry, marami pa rin puno. Mas possible talagang minimaintain nila pagiging green dito. So, nasa parking area tayo. Punong-puno ang parking lot rito ngayon. Dahil ngayon nga yung moving in ng mga estudyante. Okay, see you later. Okay, yan ang Plaza Verde. Dito ang kanyang dormitory.
Can I
completely different in like Lubbock, like College Station, Lubbock.
What are we, where are we going?
Ito yung pinag-performan nyo, no? Hindi ba?
That's where I volleyball practice.
Kaya pala volleyball practice. Where's your car?
So we're going to have lunch. Actually, not for us, but for our kids. So punta muna kami ron na para kumain. Pananghalian. So this is the cafeteria of ASU. So let's see. Sorry.
Where is your seat?
Joanna, did you bring your Oh, sorry.
My lunch and my...
Libre yung lunch deal dito sa moving in. So tingnan natin kung anong makakain. Mga families. Tingnan natin kung anong makakain natin.
See, it's a little busy burger day, huh?
Okay,
You guys will
so
find your toppings in your burger back there right now.
burger. Yan ang libre ngayon. Beans, at saka broccoli, at saka yung hamburger. So yan ang mga libre. So you can see there's so many people. Okay, so kakain muna kami, ha? This is the campus of Joanna. So we're going to look around and think, saan ba tayo pupunta?
Office.
Office. To get the waiver.
Let's take picture.
So when the cafeteria closes at 8, this opens.
Yeah, that's the one we are going.
And then they get like finger stuff, like pizza.
Is this one too?
Yeah, down here. This national food's good.
Yeah, we're looking at the, I don't know.
People who don't make it on Broadway, that's where they end up. They're not coming up here.
We're just waiting for our kids to finish with their... There they go.
This is
The whites.
documentation for Joanna's.
Yeah, so it's better to vlog, document it by video instead of just taking pictures. So that's how it is. Bye, see you later, guys.
Old Tuva's walking around. I think my friend's over there.
Oh,
So you got your ID now.
is that
So that's me.
The Andre? I think he's there.
Come on.
Dito nga pala, nagpapamember maraming mga organizations dito na ihikayatin yung mga anak ninyo, mga estudyante na maging member ng kanilang organization. So marami silang mga booths rito. There is a shopping mall here inside the university.
Iwanan na namin kayo. Nasaan na yung kapatid niya?
I'm going with them, so I don't. Somebody said
Joanna.
that